Hi everyone, everything I'm going to show you has been tested by professional mechanics here in the shop, so relax. We're almost at the solution. If your Kia shows the message, check BSD system, don't panic thinking something suddenly broke. What the car is telling you is that the blind spot detection system isn't confident it can operate properly at the moment. This system uses radars in the rear bumpers to detect cars approaching from your sides and alert you. So if anything blocks its view, it prefers to shut down and warn you rather than take any risks. In many cases, the cause is quite simple: dirt or a physical obstruction. Mud, dust, snow, heavy rain, road salt, or even accessories like bike racks can cover the sensors and confuse the system. Several mechanics here report that simply cleaning the sensors makes the message disappear almost instantly. It's like trying to see through a dirty window. Until you clean it, nothing is clear. If cleaning doesn't make the message go away, the issue could be more technical. Some mechanics have found that cables or connectors behind the bumper may be loose or corroded, preventing the sensor from communicating properly with the computer. Checking the harness and securing the connections is usually enough to get the system working again. Another common situation mentioned in forums is when the warning appears intermittently or for no apparent reason, even with clean sensors. This can happen if the radar needs recalibration, especially after minor bumps, bumper repairs, or windshield replacement. Authorized shops can adjust the sensors and modules to get them aligned and reliable again. There are also cases where the sensor itself is internally damaged. Some mechanics note that radar units can fail due to heat, humidity, or wear, and in those situations, the only fix is to replace the faulty sensor. This shows that even if your car drives normally, the BSD system needs everything perfect to trust itself. One detail many don't expect is that other accessories or modifications to the bumper, like trailers, grills, or bike racks, can interfere with the radars and trigger the message. In those cases, professional recalibration or adjusting the installation is usually the solution.